Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check TikTok inbox, and I would love to do is to launch the TikTok application. And there, as you can see, the only reason that most of us to check the TikTok inbox is in the case that they do have a message. But as you can see here, the activity, I do have a message, and it was this person has followed me, and that I should follow them back. Another thing is in the system notifications, in the case that maybe something that I wanted to be done has been completed, there will send me a message here. As you can see, there was a file that I was downloading, and as you can see, they're sending a message telling me that my information is now ready for me to download. And even check on the account updates, and I can go back. And in the case that I do have any support tickets, I can head all over to my profile, tap on the three lines, and then tap on settings and privacy. And then from here, I am going to tap on support. Then you're going to tap on safety center. And then from here, you're going to tap on activity status. And in the case that you do have any support tickets, you're going to see most of them. Yeah, and as you can see, we are saying that my account is in good standing. But in the case that you do have any message, you're going to see them there. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.